I'm going to show you how I made this dangling earring with a bead cap. It's pretty. In our materials, I have 3 sizes of marble beads. I have 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter, and 4 millimeter. And also I have superduo and 3 millimeter bicons. And also I have 2 sizes of seed beads. This is 15-0 and this is 11-0. And I also have the lever back earring hooks. And I have eyepins and headpins. Also, I have 2 centimeter chain, and I have 2, and my beading needle number 11, and this is the thread I'm going to use. So let's begin. So I have 16 inches of length of my thread, and I'll pick up 6 11-0 and superduos, and I'll put it alternate. So 6 11-0 seed beads and 6 superduos. I'm going to pass through the top hole of the superduo. Then pick up superduo. I'll just pull, then top hole, so my thread is coming out. So I'll pick up 15-0 bicone, 15-0, then pass through, pick up another 15-0, bicone, 15-0, then pass through the next superduo, and I'm going to continue adding 15 bicone, 15-0 until here. So this is my last set of 15-0 bicone and 15-0. I'm just passing through to reinforce. I'm going to just make some couple of knots before I cut my thread. So I have my bead cap. A 10mm marble, and I have a head pin. And this is my 8mm bead marble. This is how I measured my 8mm wire to make a loop. Then just bend it. Then I have my this is the one with the loop already. So I have my 8mm, then bead cap, and then my 4mm marble, and this is my 8mm. I'll use this to measure my 8mm wire to make a loop. Then bend. So I put the eye pin, then the 8mm, and then the 4mm. Then my chain, I'm going to just attach the chain. So I'm going to just attach the hook. Just open the loop. So it's done. It's cute. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everybody, and happy beading.